Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install GMAPS Lead Finder or GMAPS Lead Extractor or Scraper in your Chrome desktop or Edge desktop, Microsoft Edge desktop. So right here I'm using Edge browser because I'm just using Edge browser, but you can install it on Chrome. Basically, it's primarily made for the Chrome, but it works on Edge too because it's all the browser actually built with Chromium engine. So whatever the browser you're using, if it's built into Chromium engine, you can able to install it. Okay, to install on Chrome or Edge, first you have to do find out the zip file. Okay, so go to your download folder where you've downloaded your GMAP Lead Scraper. Here we go. We have GMAP Lead Scraper by HireLancer. So you have to click here, and in Windows you'll automatically get the extract all. So you just have to click there and extract. The minute you do it, you'll see the folder, right? And over in that folder, you just double click and you see that all the things. So don't worry, just go to the Edge browser again and click on the three-dotted icon. You have to basically find out the extensions, right? So click on three-dotted icon, and over there you get extensions, and here you go. You have to click on it, right click, and you get the all the extensions list. Now basically you have to find out the options called load and packed, right? And before that you have to just turn on the developer icon. I mean, if you don't have turn on the developer, and you're not going to see that. So first you have to turn on the developer mode, and then click on load unpacked, and then go to just go to download, because over here you're not going to see the zip file over here. So basically first have to extract it. First have to extract the zip file, and then you start going to notice the GMAP Lead Scraper by HireLancer. So just double click in. This is the main folder. Okay, so just select this main folder and click on select folder, and right off the bat you see this GMAP Lead Scraper by HireLancer is now got activated. And now let me show you how, if it is actually got working or not. So when you click on the extensions, you will see all the extensions called new GMAP Lead Scraper, right? Now the way it works, I can now also pin it over here, so I don't have to click on the extension all the time. So over here we got pin, and let's go to Google Map. Okay, let's go to Google Map and search for any. You can look for anything. Okay, so you can search for let's say, for example, right now I have only one example coming in my mind, which is the gym nearby. So let's say gyms nearby, right? So once you make a search for gyms nearby, you'll start seeing all the results. And it's like the traditional tool, which is an instant data scraper or something like that. Where you should instant data scraper. This is the free tool which people are recommending all over the, and you also got the huge rating. But the thing is, this is not going to work over here in this. This is a very popular tool. It's completely free, but it's not available. It's not going to work if you install it, and if you just ask it to just fetch all the details. The main thing that tool is going to be help you to scrape the name and this one, whatever the visible, okay? But it's not going to be fetch everything inside it. The main thing, if you click here, you see this thing, right? The card, see all the information over here. So that is the main thing. And exactly this tool called GMAPS Lead Scraper in the HireLancer, it's going to be work exactly. To show you an action, you have to click and that in this particular icon, and you'll find this here. You can have to click on the start, and now you see it's one by one. It's going to be scraped, and browser or Google is also not going to be give any rate limit because of it's following all the rules, right? It's um, keeping that what is the time interval and everything. It's just a little bit slow, but yeah, it's automatic. So I mean, if you're just doing this process, you can just go to some different browser or next tab. You can just go to next tab. Okay, Let me show you. If you just go to the next tab, it's keep working. So let's say it's a Gmail, or let's say you're going to a different, let's say you're gonna go to ChatGPT, and let me show you. That thing is still working. Not working. Okay. Okay, so it's got stopped, but you can just resume it. For sometimes you have the resume option as well. You see the resuming 16 leads and is now resuming. That's wonderful. For some reason, if it's not working in the background, you can just leave it like that. You can just go for the coffee and you can do whatever you want. And let's say you just want to stop it. And if you want to just try this 23 leads, you just have to click on JSON webhooks, but the main important which one we were looking is CSV. All right. And we go the CSV file. And let's say today. Let's download as today. And all right. Okay, this is not the thing. This is not opener. So you have to look for. I mean, I can just go to the Google um, it's spreadsheet tool, but just to give you the instance tool, which you can like CSV opener in online in Chrome, something like that. If you just make it a search, you'll find that. By the way, I also created a dedicated tool of that, but I'll show you next in my channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, which is HireLancer, of course. But as of now, you just have to type in a Google. By the way, it's a Google is already opened. Yeah, so we have to look for CSV opener and make a search. You find this first link, which is GitHub. Click here and click on the browse file. Old outreach, and this is what we actually downloaded today, 13 KB GMAPS Lead today. And once you click on open, you'll see all the details. Okay, the details about rating, reviews, category, address. Okay, and you also have seek slider. So if you seek it, see the phone number, you see the website addresses. Okay, and you see all the big addresses on, and then you have the scrape at which at what date you have scraped. And for example, if you just scraping the data for the website, okay, for website, if you're looking for the businesses on the Google map, which doesn't have a website, so whatever, if you just scrape the list, then you will instantly notice that these are the businesses which doesn't have any website. Okay, so what you can do, you can just create the website for them, and you can just pitch them, give them, and if they like it, you can get paid, right? This is how actually you can work. This is works for every freelancers and the people who just want to work from home and want to make some money online. A cold outreach, right? So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. See you in my channel.